But first, Ken Riley with the law firm of Farris, Riley and Pitt. He's here to explain how to find the right lawyer for your particular legal problem. And so it's sort of, I guess, sort of like seeing a doctor, right? You want to see the right one.
I guess so. You know, you see so much information. It's almost like it's overload about, there's advertising, there's all different, there's websites, anytime you search on the internet. You mentioned that you've been in an accident, or if you've had a criminal matter, if you've had something happen in your family, and you need a lawyer. There's so many different ways to find them these days. And it's important, like Tiffany said, to hire the lawyer who actually doesn't just represent to the public that they are competent and that they can do these things, but you need to look a little bit deeper. What type of memberships do they have in that particular craft? Do they go to court? Do they actually go to court? A good way to ask that question: call a judge. Judges will tell you who to hire. What kind of verdicts have they gotten? Not necessarily settlements, but what kind of verdicts have they gotten? And what kind of cases have they handled? You know, we have great lawyers on this show. Those are the lawyers that we hope that people will look to when they have legal questions. Look to people that are local. Are they out of state? Ask that question. There's just so much that you can go through when it comes to hiring an attorney, and it's so important because that's a personal relationship that's going to be there for quite some time. A lot of times, people have a relationship with an attorney for years to come. A lot of times it's, so you have to feel comfortable with the person. You have to actually sit down and talk with a lawyer who's going to be handling your case. I think it's very important. So ask some questions before you make that decision. Interview 2 or 3 lawyers. Most of the time, most lawyers will interview you and not charge you anything for your time. So that's my advice.
All right. For more information, head to Ken's website. It's deliveringjustice.com. You can also go to myfoxsale.com and click on the law call link there.